Hi everyone and welcome back to Barracuda's Christmas virtual videos. Today we're going to be doing something really fun and really messy, something to get really stuck in with, and we're going to be making some Christmas Oobleck. So for those of you that don't know what Oobleck is, it's a bit of a runny consistency mixture that is just really fun to mess around in your fingers. When it's wet in the water, it will be really runny, and then when we lift it out of the water, the mixture, it will become really thick and gloopy. So it's just really cool, a really fun sciencey thing to get involved with. So all that you'll need, it's really easy, just some corn flour and some food colouring. So I've gone with green for Christmas, and a glass of water. So let's just get straight in with it. What you're going to want to do is get a sort of a glass this kind of big, like a medium-sized glass, and fill it up with water, and then get your food colouring, so it could be whatever colour you want, and just drop a few drops into the water, just like that. Okay, so it's not really going to mix until we pop it into the bowl. Then you're going to want to get your corn flour. So you can get this from anywhere, any supermarket. I got one from Tesco. And then you're going to want to, it's a bit tricky to open, so you might want to get a parent to help you. So what you're going to want to do is pour some of the corn flour into a bowl. So any size bowl, depending on how much you want to make. So I'm just going to tip, quite a lot in there. Just like that. And then I'm going to tip some of my coloured water into here and mix it right up. So it's a bit, you sort of have to feel it and mix it up with your hands to be able to tell how much more water to get in. So I'm just going to stand up a little bit so I can mix it in. So I'm definitely going to need a little bit more water in here. So it is really messy, so just tell your parents to pop a tablecloth down or something if they don't want to get it all over the table. So I'm going to pour a bit more in, and mix it right up, so I can feel it getting really gloopy. Right, perfect. I just try and stir that. It's all stuck to the edges to try and get your water and push it down. Oh, lovely. So it feels really funny in your hands. So when you take it out, it's all sticky, and then in the bowl it's all runny just like water, so it's really fun to play with. So my green hasn't really come out very much, so I'm going to add some more in here into the bowl, just like that. I'm going to pull my sleeves up and then I'm just going to mix that in, so I can see now that the green is really coming out. I'm just going to mix it right up, just like that. So it feels really funny in your hands. So see if I can show you. So really runny and watery in the bowl, and then goes really thick and gloopy in your fingers. So lots of fun. So what I'm going to do, just so I can get a bit more stuck in, I'm going to, so I had to tell you it was really messy, didn't I? I'm going to pour it into this Pyrex bowl so I can really get stuck in. So you can see that coming out of the bowl, it's quite thick. There we go. So here, look, you can really see, so I'm going to try and pick it all up in my hands, and then it's really watery and runny. So I've got quite a pale pastel-y green, so I'm going to try and see if I can get it Christmas tree green. So I'm going to add a fair amount more. Mix that in. So it's really funny, I can't really mix it in. I don't know if you can see that in the bowl. So I'm really going to try and stir that right up. So if you've got anything at home that you want to put in so it just has a bit more of texture to it, you can add in sequins. We added googly eyeballs for our October virtual half term Oobleck. but I'm just getting really involved with this green mixture. So you can have lots of fun with this with your friends. You can make different colour bowls and just, yeah, really get stuck in with it and have lots of fun. And apologise to your parents for making your kitchen table probably so messy. But that's it for me. So have a great Christmas and a great New Year, and I really hope you enjoyed this Oobleck video today.